A new update in Las Vegas is about to drop, and it looks wild. Costing over $2 billion George Washingtons, the MSG Sphere, or more commonly known as the Las Vegas Sphere, is the world's largest spherical structure, standing at over 366 feet tall and over 516 feet wide. The interior theater stadium will hold around 18,000 people and immerse them in a live experience comparable to few other venues because of its towering 16,000 LED screen, with each LED being the size of a hockey puck, over 160,000 speakers, and haptic seats that can simulate wind, smells, and even temperature. With the climate crisis, this may be one of the last places the next generation can come and experience winter as it once was. But in an area that already boasts the Bellagio's dancing fountains, a half-scale replica of the Eiffel Tower, and the second largest observation tower in the Western Hemisphere, and a beam of light that can be seen for hundreds of miles, sorry Sacramento, there is an alarmingly growing juxtaposition between the luxuriousness of the Las Vegas facade and the human reality. First, the project is nearly $1 billion over budget and will consistently need to book acts that can fill up over 18,000 seats. With a customized performance they can only perform there. They can't roll the Sphere on tour with them. Secondly, there are valid concerns that investors are only eyeing over-the-top parades rather than funding other meaningful cornerstones of society like education, of which Nevada ranks 49th in the nation for school financing and 50th dead last for chance of success, according to the Education Law Center. Despite the mountain before them, however, the study also ranks Nevada students 18th out of the 50 states for academic achievement. I'm so proud of y'all. But just imagine what they could accomplish. No, what any district, including teachers, could achieve if they were properly funded and prioritized like the Sphere. In fact, why stop there? There's the water crisis in Vegas, of which there are actual enforcers ensuring water from private property doesn't run off onto the streets because of how quickly it evaporates in the desert heat and how limited a resource is becoming with the climate crisis. There's also the massive flux of people experiencing homelessness in the Vegas Strip alone, though for what it's worth, in early June of this year, AB 528 was signed into law, which creates a $100 million matching fund for a lead organization to transition those struggling to find permanent housing. Now look, I'm all gung-ho about the future, science fiction, AI tech, and advanced, honestly pretty sick architecture. But we have to bring everyone along if this is how we are going to march into the future. We have to do it right, to the best of our ability, or our progress will be as real as the Vegas facade. So the question is, will the Sphere actually help or hurt Nevada?